Hey sociologists, how are you doing today? Happy Earth Day. I hope it seems like it's going to be a gorgeous day, and if you have time to do something that's thoughtful and eco-friendly, I hope you can get a chance to go do it. Um, Sociologically speaking, our access to nature is often class-based, so that's something to consider as well. What kind of access do you have to nature? Are you around kids? What kind of access do they have to nature? And how is that facilitated by the people in their lives? Anyways, pardon the tangent. It just sort of crossed my mind as I was imagining that I'm talking to my sociology class. So we're moving away from race and ethnicity, which was something that hopefully got you thinking, got your sociological juices flowing, and hopefully the film Race, the Power of an Illusion really provided some support for a lot of important conversations. Again, it's on the module, so it's always there for you as long as you're in this class. And if you feel like it's something you would use later on in your life, you can also feel free to ask me to send you the link. I'd be delighted to share it with you. We're moving into sex and gender, which is also another part of self, right? Everybody has a gender. Everybody has, a physical body that they inhabit. So how does sex and gender relate to our interactions in society? How do we navigate that? And what inequalities are based in what is available to you based on your sex or your gender? So thanks for sticking with this throughout the whole semester. We're winding down, so sex and gender, and then I think 2 more modules after that, and then we move into our final exam, which is very similar to the midterm. So it'll be on this content that we're doing, and you'll have a week to write it, possibly a little more, depending on the timing of the finals. I have to double check. But in any case, enjoy this module, and I look forward to reading your race and gender post that you submitted by last night. So have a good week. Again, happy Earth Day, and I look